Hi guys. What's up? I hope that you are doing well. Therefore in this video, I am going to show you how to make an outline on an image. If you want to see my next video, make sure to subscribe my channel. If you love my video, just drop a like. Let's get started.
Therefore, and the first step, you have to open your Photoshop. Okay, let's open it, and here we are, and create a new. Click on that. Just we are here, and it should be the thumbnail should be 1280 pixel, and the height of that should be 720. Okay, so we have talked about this weight and height and the previous video, so let's create it then. Yeah, so we have created this, so we have to open an image like this, something like that. We need an image as like this. Let's consider this picture. Yep. Yeah, so it comes. Okay, I have to copy just this person, so I have to just drag this like this. Yep, so we got it. Control plus J. Yep, and we have to drag this here. Yeah, so now we are here. I have to zoom out a little bit. You gotta see it. It is really important. Yeah, so here is our person that we want to make an outline about this man. Okay, on this man. Okay, so let's just make a background for this person, and it should be okay. It doesn't matter. Pink is appropriate for this person. Okay, drag this here. Yeah, so now we are here. So the important things is that yeah, so you have to click on this person. Yeah, and come here. Okay, come here, fx, it shows to us, and come in blending option. Okay, blending option. Yes, so and the stroke part. Okay, where is that stroke part? Here we are. So we did it. It was really easy, so here you can change the color as well. So most of the YouTubers prefer the white one, here we are with the size of that. It means like this, even I can make this size even, but we don't prefer this one. It should be like this. It is good, yeah, this much. And it should be outside. Okay, not inside, outside, because if it is inside, it takes your image, and it will destroy your image, and it should be outside. Pay attention about this one as well. Yeah, so here is the opacity. We can change the opacity, like this and this. Okay, so we did it, in the first part. Let's review that. In the first part, you have to come here, blending option, and come to stroke. Yeah, so here is the thing that you need. Okay, after that, I have to make it a little bit attractive, so I have to just zoom it. I mean, I have to add some glow, some glow. Like red is good. Here we are, and brush, come in the brush, and it should be like this. Click on this one. Okay, not this one. It will just do something like this. It should be like this, you know so here, just wait a minute, so sorry. And don't click on the layer one. Okay, click on the background that you have made already. Yeah, okay, let's do it then. Come and brush, just do something like this. It makes your image really good and attractive, and it absorb the viewer to come to your video, you know, something like this. When I finish this, you will see the differences between the first one and the final one, you know. Yes. Don't click like this, okay? It will destroy your image. Click like this, you know, it will add some glow on it. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. No, I am so slow. Let's do it. Finish, man. Come on. Yeah, so we have finished. Are you ready to watch it? Are you ready to see it? Yeah. Here is our image, man. Look at this guy, you know. Look at this guy. He became really, really beautiful, man. Isn't it? So here is the thing, you know, you can see that. Yeah, it should be like this, you know. It is. If it was helpful, just like this video, and if you want to watch more videos like this, you can also like and give me more potential and energy to carry on my videos, making videos. So I'm grateful and hope to see you again. Goodbye.